So this is my 1966 Mustang. We put a 347 stroker in it with a Holley Sniper kit. So as the adaptive tables begin to learn, we're dealing with an issue of, it's like a misfire, but basically the distributor goes dead, it'll misfire for a second or two and then come back up complete on the gauges, but the gauge will completely shut off, and it appears to be something to do with the distributor shorting out. And I had an older mechanic tell me to try something. He said, throw a piece of aluminum foil over this distributor cap and see what it does. Well, we did that and took it for a drive, and believe it or not, it's actually running quite a bit better. So we're getting with Holley to find out what they think's going on with that. Any of you guys run into this? Can you tell me what's going on?